In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a trusted location folder for your Microsoft Access databases. If you've ever opened an Access database and seen a yellow security bar telling you that macros or VBA have been disabled, this walkthrough is for you. Setting up a trusted location tells Access that files in a specific folder are safe, so your database opens with all features enabled, no extra clicks, no warnings, and fewer headaches. Start by opening Microsoft Access. You can launch it with any database or even just a blank one. We simply need the app open. Once you're in, go to the File tab in the top left corner. That opens the Backstage view where all the app level settings live. At the very bottom of the left-hand menu, select Options. This opens the Access Options window where you can configure how Access behaves. In the Access Options window, choose Trust Center from the sidebar. The Trust Center is where Microsoft centralizes security and privacy controls. On the right side, click the button labeled Trust Center Settings. This opens a new dialog dedicated to those security settings. In the Trust Center dialog, select Trusted Locations on the left. You'll see a list of any folders that Access already trusts, plus controls to add your own. Click Add New Location. That brings up the Microsoft Office Trusted Location dialog where you'll point Access to your chosen folder. Click Browse, then navigate to the folder where you store your Access databases. Pick a stable, predictable spot, someplace you use regularly, and that's backed up if possible. Avoid temporary folders like downloads, and keep in mind that if your databases live on a network share, your organization's policies may limit network trusted locations. If that's the case, check with your administrator before proceeding. After selecting your folder, you'll return to the Trusted Location dialog. If you keep your projects organized in subfolders under that main directory, check the box that says subfolders of this location are also trusted. This ensures everything nested inside inherits the same trust, which saves you from adding each subfolder one by one. When you're satisfied with the folder selection, click OK to save your new trusted location. From now on, databases you open from that folder will run without the security warning bar, and your code, macros, and startup settings should load as intended. That's it. Your trusted location is set. For the smoothest experience, store or move your Access files into that folder and enjoy faster, warning-free opens while maintaining good security hygiene.